you can see is this area over here, this line over here. So this POI is a high probability POI. Now, why is it a high probability POI? So if we break down what's actually happened over here, right? What's happened is very, very simple. We have broken structure to the upside. So we've broken some structure in this region, right? Price has broken structure over here. Right, we've created a new high over here, and we've left a fair value gap, right? When we dive into more recent price action, what we can see is price is below the Asian range and therefore below the daily opening price. So this is the daily opening price. Price has taken out the Asian range high and now is taken out the Asian range low. So let's break this down in terms of a two-phase manipulation with the power of 3. So the way the markets work typically is we're going to have an accumulation. The markets will accumulate liquidity. Now, if price wants to move to the upside, we will have a manipulation of the upside and then the downside. These are my favorite setups if you combine them with key levels and the power of 3. This is important to understand. So we see price heading higher and then heading lower into a key level, right? These are the golden setups you're looking for. So it's really quite simple when you understand what you're looking for. Now from here, once we see price coming into a key level, we are waiting for the market to show its hand. And the way we do that is by being patient. So this was a very, very large impulsive candle to the downside, right? So this was actually the 3 p.m. UK time news or the 10 a.m. Eastern. So my rule with news events is very, very simple. So this was a day of recording the 2nd of April. On the 1st of April, we had some news events. So 3 p.m., so 10 a.m. Eastern, we had 2 news events. My simple rule with news events is to trade after them. It's very, very important. And I wait for the 15-minute time frame to tap into a 15-minute level. Now that price has come into this level, it's important to understand we're below the daily opening price. And if we look a step forward, the best probability trades will be below the daily opening the daily opening price and the 4-hour opening price, right? This is important to understand. So we have a 4-hour candle resting in this area, right? This is now the 4-hour power of 3. And what we can see is price is below the 4-hour 10 a.m. 4-hour opening candle price as well. So now we've tapped into this region, right? So now